दिलजीत की फॉर्मर मैनेजर आई उनके सपोर्ट में। दिलजीत को मिल रहे बैकलैश में दिलजीत का बचाव किया उनकी फॉर्मर मैनेजर सोनाली सिंह ने। जब से सरदार जी 3 का ट्रेलर हुआ है आउट और उसमें नजर आई हैं पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट हानिया आमिर, तब से दिलजीत हैज बीन रिसीविंग अ लॉट ऑफ बैकलैश। तो वहीं former manager Sonali Singh has come out to defend him amid the backlash that the singer-actor has been facing for sharing screen space with Pakistani actor Hania Amir in his upcoming film Sardar Ji 3. दिलजीत की former manager सोनाली ने अपने Instagram पर शेयर किया है एक पोस्ट जिसमें उन्होंने लिखा है, Always choosing love over hate. In a career spanning over 2 decades, Diljit Dosanjh has become a cultural icon not only for India but for the global stage. Yet time and again he has been placed under the scanner, especially as a proud Sikh, a Punjabi and an artist who has chosen to represent India with quite pride rather than loud declarations. Despite being repeatedly targeted, Diljit has never resorted to outrage. His consistent message in interviews, music, films and public appearances has always been rooted in love, unity and the kindness. This recent wave of criticism surrounding his upcoming Punjabi film Sardar Ji due to the presence of a Pakistani co-star is both disheartening and unfair, especially considering the timing and the nature of the project. The film was shot long before the current political climate intensified. This is yet another project where innocent families of the producers are involved, created and funded with personal life savings and made to uplift the regional film industry. To attempt to derail this release now is to undermine not just one actor but an entire creative ecosystem. It's not a film backed by a giant corporate house that can absorb the blow of massive losses. This is someone's life's earnings and it is at risk of being wiped out entirely. Even while fighting other battles, including a film that has been delayed for over 2 years despite no controversial actors. And yet, in the face of it all, Diljit has chosen to respect the sentiments of the Indian public and authorities. He is not releasing the film in India, standing in alignment with the nation's current mood, showing once again that he honors the decisions of his own country even at personal and professional cost. Yes, this decision will undoubtedly have a huge impact on the business of the film, but Diljit is not thinking of himself. All he's trying to do is mitigate the losses as much as he can for the producers, for the crew, for the families whose livelihoods are tied to this film, while still balancing the emotions and respect this country deserves. This is not easy, but it is what he believes is right. And like always, he's choosing love, he's choosing others over himself again. What hurts the most is that on one hand, the global media celebrates him as the first Indian to perform at Coachella, to appear on Jimmy Fallon carrying his traditional identity, to walk the Met Gala carrying his culture and roots, and every single time he proudly carries India with him. But on the other hand, in his own country, how quickly we forget, how conveniently we celebrate him when he puts India on the map, and how easily we trash him when the narrative turns. Does anyone think this does not break his heart? Does anyone imagine how demoralizing it is to fight for visibility as a brown Indian artist on the world stage and still have to fight for belonging in India? Where does someone like him belong then? And maybe we need to ask ourselves, because he's not Hindu, is that why he's asked again and again to prove his patriotism while others are assumed to be loyal? It hurts. इस लंबे चौड़े पोस्ट में सोनाली ने सीधा सीधा दिलजीत के बचाव में कई सारी बातें भी लिखी। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि दिलजीत दरअसल वही हैं जिन्हें एड्रेस किया गया था बाय द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर एज भारत के गांव का बेटा एज वेल। दिलजीत ने ही यूएस का शो रातों रात कैंसिल किया था जब FWIC ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था, knowing it would cost him crores and invite a 2-year legal battle in a foreign country. तो वहीं पर आज दिलजीत सरदार जी 3 के प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ खड़े हैं, नॉट टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ बट टू प्रोटेक्ट द फैमिलीज बिहाइंड द फिल्म। और क्योंकि वो जाइंट कॉर्पोरेशंस नहीं हैं, तो वो फिल्म का लॉस नहीं झेल पाएंगे। तो वहीं सोनाली ने ये भी कहा कि दिलजीत एक और फिल्म की प्रोड्यूसर के साथ भी खड़े हैं जो कि 2 साल से रिलीज के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, जिसमें तो कोई पाकिस्तानी कास्ट मेंबर भी नहीं है, एंड इट्स अ डीपली इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरी जिसका नाम है जसवंत सिंह खालरा। सोनाली का ये भी कहना है कि in every sense Diljit Dosanjh has been an ambassador of India not through propaganda but through spirit, his art, his love. The cycle must end. Let us stop punishing our artists for being human first. All he has ever spoken is love. सोनाली ने इस पोस्ट के कैप्शन में लिखा है One Love। तो वहीं इस पोस्ट पर सोनाली ने दिलजीत का गाना भी लगाया है शिवाय। आपको बता दें, द एंटायर टीम ऑफ दिलजीत सरदार जी 3 is facing intense backlash due to the incursion of हानिया आमिर in the film. इस फिल्म में नीरू बाजवा भी शामिल हैं। हालांकि ये फिल्म इंडिया में रिलीज नहीं होगी, ये ओवरसीज रिलीज होगी on June 27. The controversy comes in the wake of the recent Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd, followed by India's Operation Sindoor on May 7, in which airstrikes were carried out on terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.